Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review the Credit Karma Savings Account. Credit Karma Savings Account offers a high-yield savings account with an attractive interest rate and no fees. The account is FDIC